Welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where I like everything healthy, easy and quick. Today's dish is super quick and easy, and it's really healthy and delicious. And this is for my vegetarian followers who keep asking for vegetarian dishes. It's a vegetable tagine. Whenever you cook in terracotta, and generally, you always have to have a diffuser, otherwise it will crack. So always make sure you have a diffuser. You can buy them from any supermarket. I'm gonna put it on high at the beginning, and then I'm gonna let it cook very slow. I'm gonna have some olive oil. You can use ghee if you want, vegetable ghee, but I'm gonna use olive oil for this. Some hot water. I'm gonna first infuse, I've got saffron. If you don't have saffron, you can use turmeric or you can just omit it. Dried coriander. I've got some cumin, paprika, and black pepper. I'm gonna give this a little whisk, and this I will be pouring over my vegetables. I just want the saffron to infuse. I've got a variety of vegetables here, and you see I'm not really frying or sauteing anything. I'm just going to be stewing everything, and it's dead easy. You just assemble and you just forget about it until it's cooked. So I've got onions. I'm going to put the onions at the bottom. Carrots. Pumpkin. I've got some ginger here. I'm just going to cut it into like slices. I just want a small piece, and I'm just going to throw it in just like that. I have zucchini. Just going to cut them in half. So I'm just layering the vegetables, really, starting with the ones that take a bit longer to cook at the bottom. You can put as many or as little, so I'm not going to tell you 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, just whatever you want. Some tomatoes. Now that I've got this layer, I just want to season it a bit with salt, and I just want to put a little bit of our sauce. Then I'm going to relayer again. I have some potatoes. And before I put the final layer of vegetables, I've got some coriander and parsley. All I'm going to do is I'm really going to chop it fine. And again, put some more vegetables. Now my softer vegetables, like I've got okra and green beans, I'm going to keep them on the top because they really cook fast. And the rest of my sauce mix, more salt, and I'm going to finish with some more parsley and coriander. You can put some chickpeas, but I want to keep it light because I already have the potatoes for a start. And then you just cover it, and just once you feel it's reached the boil, the liquid under, you just lower the heat and leave it to cook for around, it might take an hour or so. Keep checking it. It might need a little bit more water to add, but don't forget vegetables do have water and it will release the water. About an hour or so has passed, and it's bubbling nicely, and I've been basting it with the juices all the time. I'm just going to finish off with a little bit of just coriander for some color. And this is my vegetable tagine. This is healthy. It's vegan, it's vegetarian, it's low carb, and it's everything good for your body. Enjoy.